Continuing my repurposing series, today I'm going to be talking about how to repurpose your YouTube videos into shorts or Instagram reels, TikToks, wherever you're trying to post them at, but with AI. Now, before you would have to have like the full video and then you would just basically have to clip it sort of like in your video editor. I remember I had to do that when I was repurposing videos with clients, but now AI just makes it so much more easier, so much more faster. So I'm going to show you the two tools that I use to repurpose my YouTube. The two tools that I use is Opus Clip and then also Captions.ai. Now they both have like different features and they both have like different strengths. Honestly, I use both of them, but I'm going to show you guys both of them and I'm going to let you decide which ones, will be better for you. Okay, so the first one we have is Opus Clip. And with this one, you get to repurpose different types of long form videos. So not only YouTube videos, but you could do like webinars as well. Another thing that it does is it reframes it for multiple platforms. They have a social media scheduler. You're able to export it to your video editing software. So I believe it lets you export it to Premiere Pro and DaVinci. We'll check that in a minute. And then you can also add B-roll and change the color of your captions. So we're going to go over Opus Clip first. So I actually haven't used Opus Clip in a minute. But basically you would drop a Zoom link, a Twitch link, a YouTube link, or, they have a lot of different types of links you could drop in here. But you would drop that in here and then you would press Get Clips in one click. And then it would basically let you repurpose the different types of videos. So, okay, so we're going to drop this in here. And we're going to get clips for it. And then it's going to, basically take a few minutes. And it's going to go in and it's going to clip everything up. But yeah, while it's doing that, it also has like some different other features as well. I'm not currently using it that often. But it has like the social media calendar. I haven't used this yet, but I'm sure it's great. It has like asset libraries, so you're able to upload your fonts, videos, audio. But yeah, the main thing is with the clipping. Okay, so the video's now done. And basically it's going to give you a bunch of options for it. Basically clipped up the video and it's going to give you a bunch of options that you can use. Now, you definitely want to sort of like take a look at each one of them just to make sure that it sounds right. Because, since it is AI, not every video that they're going to clip up is going to be like the best video. But you can like sort of like click them out. So let's see this one.
Instagram literally feels like a full-time job. And it's because the shelf life of your content is really short. Okay, so today we are going Instagram for lead generation.
Okay, so it literally just like did my intro in there. So that wouldn't be a good option, obvious. So let's see this
Basically,
one.
Even if your video doesn't get a lot of views at first when you first post it, your video can resurface months, possibly even years later in any of the search bars. So I've had videos that I posted when I first got it on YouTube. It only got like...
Okay, so this would be a good video. And basically with this, you would be able to go in and you would be able to add B-roll, change the colors of your captions, and you can even like edit out the parts that you don't need and make it shorter, or you can make it longer. Now, if you're getting Opus Clip, I definitely recommend you getting like the paid plan because the free plan is very limited, and then it has that little like annoying Opus Clip little logo on the side. So definitely get the paid plan. What I like to do is, since I don't post short video content that often, I'll batch repurpose my YouTube videos. So I'll have like maybe like 5, 8, 10 videos and I'll just upload them all and look through them all and sort of like decide the clips that I want. And I'll do that all at one time. So I'm not really doing it right now. Okay, so the second option is Captions.ai. So Captions AI basically does the same thing as Opus Clip, but I'm going to say it's like more trendy, flashy edits. And they have like different caption templates that you can use, and they also have like generative AI video features. You can create like generative AI videos we're not talking about that today. We're talking about the repurposing capabilities. So basically what you would want to do is you would want to go to AI Shorts, and then again you just paste in your YouTube video. Now what I do find is that, like, I feel like Captions AI gives you less videos than Opus Clips does, but also they're doing more work than Opus Clip is. So, you know, so yeah, you're gonna be able to put your video in here and it's gonna be able to clip it up for you. Now here is one of the videos that Captions AI created for me. Okay, so like as you can see, they have all types of things in here. They have like effects, they have like these pretty captions, they automatically added the b-roll in here for you, they have a few sound effects. So I really like the way Caption AI edits the videos, and like I said, it's really trendy. They have like seven different caption templates that you can choose from. One of them is like Ali Abdul. They create shorts just like him. Another one is like the paper effect. So, and this is, I think, the cinematic caption right here, the cinematic caption template. So, and you can also, like, you can remove any of the effects, you can remove any of the sounds, but I didn't have to do like a ton of editing for this video. They literally just took my YouTube video and they did all of this on its own. So yeah, like I said, I use both of the video editing platforms. I think they're both great. I think Opus Clip is good for if you have more than just YouTube videos, you have webinars and stuff like that. And I think Captions.ai is really good for like YouTube videos that you want to clip up. So yeah, again, both of those is going to be a link down below. So just a reminder, I have a free resource down below that shows you 35 different ways to make videos and some action steps to decide what's right for you. You can go ahead and click the link down below to check that out, as well as the other editing AI platforms that I just showed you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. And we are still continuing our repurpose series. So yeah, I'll leave the playlist here and you can repurposing videos that I have created.